Hey guys, so I just got off work and the weather looks really nice and I have my photo stuff with me and we're gonna go take some photos. Look at that view, so nice. Alright guys, I made it back in the car. Holy crap, the wind is so strong. Oh my god. It reminds me of Iceland. Whew. Okay, time to go back and check out the images and see how they look. Hey guys, welcome back to my apartment. I just got back a couple hours ago and uploaded all the photos. So what do you guys think about the sunset? I thought it was great. Um, Except for the wind. The wind was crazy strong and it blew over my tripod. Luckily, my photo stuff wasn't on there, but the sand did get into, the head of the tripod. Yeah, I just washed it and it's drying over there. So yeah, that was a cool experience. I saved the guy's hat from the wind and he asked about my photography and I told him about my Instagram. When I was packing up, getting ready to leave, so there's this flock of birds that flew right next to the shore and with a sunset in the background, I wanted to take that shot so bad, but I had my camera in my bag, so I actually took my camera back out and I waited for another 10 minutes and yeah, no flock of birds. So yeah, that's one shot I'm looking forward to get in the future. So um, yeah, looking forward to it. So the photos that I got, they're pretty nice. There's one photo that I like the best out of all of them, and I'll show you right here. Um, it's just the way the water moves with the sunset. I don't know, I just like it a lot more than the other photos. Um, I don't know, so future plans, I don't know where I'm going to go yet, but if you guys have any suggestions around the Bay Area, just let me know in the comments below. Um, yeah. Alright, see you guys in the next video.